All right, I'm back. And we're not doing story time with Teacher Ron this time, but I am going to talk to you about an activity that you can do with mom and dad. Mom and dad, if you're watching this, all we're doing is something with cotton balls, the cotton balls that I put in the bag, and we have these plastic tongs or big tweezers. Now, they're kind of stiff, all right? And so your child might not be strong enough to pinch because you need your forearm muscles to pinch with this. If they're not strong enough, that's fine. They can just use fingers, or if you have kitchen tongs that they could use, you can use those. So we have cotton balls. For this activity, if you have an ice tray, you can use one of those. I would suggest writing out the numbers 1 through, well, there's 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There's 16 here. You can use 16 if you want. Write out the numbers 1 through 16, cut them out, and put them in order so that they can see the numbers as they're putting the cotton balls in, all right? What I've done here is I've just drawn a grid on a piece of cardboard with a Sharpie, 1 through 10, okay? What you and your child can do is you can take your tongs or the fingers, and it's very simple actually. All we're doing is we're counting. This is counting in cardinality. We say, how many cotton balls do you have? There's 1, okay? And it corresponds with the number 1. They can see the number, and they can see how many they have there. Now we have 2, 1, 2. That's the number 2, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3. And there's the number 3. Another way you can put it is, this is 3, 1, 2, 3. This says 3. Let's do the next one. We'll put it right there at the top. Let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. This says 4. We'll do the next one. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you count good and slow, and make sure you're sounding out every number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. This says 5. Okay, we'll use our fingers. Put it right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. This says 6. And so on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now, what we can do now is we can start back with 10 and take 1 away. So we started with 10. Now we have 9. Now we have 8. Now we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? Notice I've got all of these lined up and in order, and they're neat. Okay? Try to keep it like that so that your kids can rationalize and see what 10 looks like. Okay? And we can even rearrange these differently. They can see what 10 looks like in this configuration. They can see what 10 looks like in this configuration. And just kind of mix it up and do it in different ways so that they can see what 10 looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No matter how you change it up, no matter what order you put it in, it's still 10. And if you take 1 away, then what is it? Okay? We're counting Backwards, we're counting forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what comes before 10? If you don't know, just count the cotton balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what comes before 9? I don't know. Well, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what comes before 8? I don't remember. Well, let's take these away. Take one away and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes before 7? I don't know. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes before 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and so on. So try that with your youngster or youngsters and see how it goes. Okay? Any other different ways that you think of that you can teach counting from 1 to 10? Go ahead and try it. Okay? There's no really wrong or right way of doing it. Just keep doing it. Keep saying the numbers over and over again. Okay? And just work on that. Once they get to 10, start working on 15. When they get to 15, start working on 20. All right? That's what we were doing before all this happened. So hopefully you can continue this. Thank you very much.